My first impression of the work culture here at Impinj is that it's a very inviting environment. You get to work with a lot of engineers who have a huge amount of knowledge, engineers with 10 or 20 or 30 or 40 years of experience, and they're really willing to share what they know with you. It really helps you learn these concepts a lot better. The technical aspect of my work that I've found the most engaging would be taking accurate measurements on circuits. When you're probing on a circuit, oftentimes you can load the circuit, which actually changes it. So you're no longer measuring the circuit that you wanted to measure, you're measuring a different circuit because you've changed it. Knowing a circuit well enough that you can take an accurate measurement of it is kind of an art form in itself, and it's really interesting and really rewarding. So what I think is the most interesting about working with RAIN RFID technology is the potential that it has to eliminate waste in the world. A coworker of mine a couple months ago was talking about tools in the lab, and he said if you can't find something, you might as well not have it. And that kind of stuck with me because you could make a really great product, but if it gets lost somewhere, it really doesn't matter how great it was. Being able to put a tag on something and avoid losing it and avoid it going to waste is just kind of a good thing for the world. Starting here during the quarantine, while I do work in the office, I have to communicate with a lot of people who are remote and who I have never met in person. And in the beginning, it was intimidating to message people and ask for things. But after I had done it a couple times, everybody was just really friendly and never had any bad experiences. So while it was a little bit of an extra hurdle to get things done, it wasn't a big problem. So my goals for the coming year would be to get hired on full-time and to just keep improving at my job, learning stuff while I'm here, and then also studying in my time at home and just trying to become a better engineer.